Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can scan QR codes on OPPO A60. There are two methods that allow you to scan the QR code. The first one is by opening the camera. Then in the top right corner we can press these lines and open the settings. And here we need to scroll down to make sure that the QR code scanning is enabled. If not, then tap on the slider to activate it. Once it is enabled, all we need to do now is hover the camera in the photo mode over the QR code, and then at the bottom we should see the link. We can press the link in order to open it in the browser. Another method that allows you to scan QR codes is by opening the quick access. So swipe from the top to the bottom twice. Over here we have the quick access, and here we can scroll to the right to find the QR code. If the QR code is not visible here, we can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and choose edit tiles, and then over here in more functions you should be able to find this option, so you can add it and then you can go back to the quick access. So if you press the QR code scanner, then you will have something similar and it will pretty much immediately find the link from the QR code. Let's give it one more try. There we go. As you can see, it works really fast, so it should work as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.